What's going, everyone? Got this massive package in the mail from Missouri Cards. This thing is filled with my addiction. So he hit me up because his stores are awesome and always packed, and mine suck. So he hit up a couple stores and was sending me text messages and pictures of stuff he was finding. And so I told him, grab me those, grab me those, grab me those. And what's awesome, man, so in this, if you don't know, my addiction is Prizm. But should be 5 blasters, 11 3-packs, 1 mega box, and then 6 3-packs of Prizm Draft. So let me move this out of the way. This is Christmas. Oh my God, look at all this. So there's the mega box. Bam. Here's the 5 blasters. Boom. Boom. And then should be 11. Oh my God, this is like Christmas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I pull better stuff out of these than I do with blasters. And then 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at all that Prizm. If I don't pull anything good out of this, I might be done with Prizm forever. Get this out of the way. Man. So obviously I'm not going to open all this at once because I don't like making long videos. So what I'll do is maybe a mega box and a blaster. I got a couple 1 touches ready, sleeves, and some top loaders because I better pull something good out of these. And then I was also sent these in this mixer break I was in. Soto, Hoskins rookie, Swanson rookie, nice Soto, Pete Alonso, Ronald Acuna, another Acuna, Jeff McNeil, Raider rookie, Toussaint auto. He also pulled me a Soto rookie short print variation, but the card was all jacked. I mean, not jacked up, but fresh out of the pack. It shouldn't be all mangled. So he was talking with Tops about it. So I filled out the paperwork, send it in. So that's awesome of him to go above and beyond. I think that card graded is like $400. Bryce Harper, Jake Freeman, Harper, Tim Raines. It's funny, Harper leaves and the Nats go to the World Series. Strasburg, Stanton, Albies. Neil Walker, former Pirate. So sweet. Alright, so let's rip into this. I have a whole lot of Prizm here. Better end up getting something good. Where'd my razor blade go? Huh. There it is. Oh, can't wait. It's unbelievable how bad the stores around here suck. Alright. Is this the, you get the green? Neon green auto. Robbie Anderson, Patty Mahomes, Funches, Harrison. Winston, Gronk, Atkins, Gallup. Try to roll through this fast here. Richard Sherman, C.J. Mosley, Keenum, Ray McLeod. I don't think I've ever got an autograph out of blasters. I think every single one's been a mem. Jamal Adams, Chandler Jones, Warren Sapp Hall of Fame, Scatling. Derrick Henry, Josh Gordon, Andrew Luck, Riley Ferguson. Meredith, Devin Funches, Scantling Green, Joshua Jackson. Looks like the auto. Still want that Devin Bush at a Prizm draft. Harrison Smith, Foles, Eric Weddle, Antonio Callaway. Phillip Rivers, Vaughn Miller, Cam Newton Hype, Traquan Smith. Jermaine Curse, Jackson, Melvin Ingram, Evans. Alright, so this is definitely the auto. Let's get a good one here. It'd be nice if it was a Nick Chubb. Jimmy G, Jimmy Graham, and the auto. RJA, Richie James. Don't need the one touch for the Richie James, that's for sure. Alright, let's hurry up and rip through the blaster. I'm sure it's a mem. Yep, looks like a mem. Josh Gordon, Andrew Luck. Oh, nice. Saquon. Robert Woods. these Blue Ice, I think they're called, or pulled a nice Baker Mayfield with one of those. And Nick Chubb auto, one of those too. Von Miller, another nice Barkley. Contrell, Mark Ingram. Hard to open. Maybe that's the good stuff in it. Probably not. Melvin Ingram, Ramsey, Trey Quinn, Chris Carson. Leonard Floyd, Foreman, Jermaine Kearse, Kyle Rudolph. All right, so let's see what we got for the men. So I don't think any of these, I don't think those are numbered. But, so it's a Bronco. Davis, Bruce Irvin, Funches, and the Bronco is what? Bradley Chubb, Sean Hamilton. Prizm jersey. I still like them though. I think they're cool looking. All right, that should do it for those ones. Got a lot to rip here. All right, have a good one, everyone.